Sanibonani ekhaya. Igama lami ngu-Angel Noko. Today ngitlo buisana le ntate ST Dlamini. Ungikhopheja Angel Noko ozalana uzo interviewa omunye umuntu lo bangamcabangeli ukuthi angayenza i-interview. Babona umsebenzi wakhe, babona ayenza izinto eziningi behind the scenes. Abazi ukuthi lo muntu lo yena ubuyaphi, uphila kanjani, uNkulunkulu usebenza kangakanani empilweni yakhe. So iza namanzi, uhlale phansi, uzophuza. Okay, sorry. You connect?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
No, it's fine. Start fresh.
Okay, start fresh.
Keep
Okay.
yeah.
Sanibonani emakhaya, dumelang le kae nna ke gona. Igama lami ngu-Angel Noko. Ngibizwe ubaba ST Dlamini. Ntate waka. Sorry baba. Am I okay when ngibuka la?
No, when you look at the camera.
Yeah, ngibuka la esipilini. Is it affecting the camera?
Set puzzle.
Okay.
No.
When you are looking here, it's fine because it's the same directions.
Okay, ngiright so. Okay.
Or if you want to see yourself.
Yes.
Maybe ungayenza ibe behind, yeah.
Izofuna uyijikise. Again inthathe. Again. Ibuye ngapha. Again. Oh, not kakhulu. Kancane. Jika haholi, yes. Yes, ntatu waka.
So when makuzibuka lapha kufanele ukuthi ubuka abantu.
Okay, so there's no need ukubuka phansi uma ngibuke phezulu. Is it okay?
Angithi for introduction, but then thina siyaxoxa.
Okay. But go right mangibukele ngabukanga la camera.
No.
It's fine.
For introducing.
Okay.
And then masisikhuluma vele usubuka mina.
Okay. Sanibonani emakhaya, igama lami ngu-Angel Noko. Kibilijwe, dumelang le na le bolelang Sesotho. Le di-language tse dingwe re tla neng tse re di tsenya. Le gone le ngibiziwe lana ukuthi ngizokhuluma Jesus, what is this? Okay, we are starting. Sanibonani emakhaya, dumelang, igama lami ngu-Angel Noko. Ngibiziwe lana namhlanje ukuthi Angel, please, interviewer omunye umuntu lana important. Mina ngiwubaba ST Dlamini. Ngeke ngikhona ukumi-interviewer, but kufuneka wena uzomu-interviewer because uyaya ukudala khona la. Othi kudala ukhona la kule industry. So ngibona ungathi umuntu right ukuthi ungeza uzomu-interviewer lana ekhaya la. Sikhuluma iSotho, sikhuluma isiZulu, sahlanganisa konke. Ungathuki Angel Noko. Manje ngisengifikile mina uAngel Noko. Ngithi sifuna ukumazi ukuthi lo muntu lo afuna ukuthi ngimi-interview ubani. Yiza namanzi wena uzophuza uze nejuice yakho uhlale lana utlothele ja gore na ke mang moyeng o bampile di tšeng yena gore ke tlo mo interviewa dula jalo ra boa se uzoyikhatha lana ngoba baseyophuza amanzi angisho.
Okay, all this part.
Yes.
Okay.
Angisho ngithe bayoletha amanzi bayophuza amanzi
Oh, no
babuye.
problem. It's basically okay. Give bengithi ku do not disturb. Mawucima alethla ngicimele yona. Because ayicimeke the way ejwayeleke ngakhona. Yeah.
Ufuna ngicela futhi or right le introduction.
Right.
Okay, so bayophuza amanzi.
Sijoin. Wena nje thatha ngokuthi isukela lapha.
Okay. Dumela ntate. Sawubona baba.
Niyaphi njani mama?
ST Dlamini.
Ninjani kodwa?
Sikhona baba. Kanti mawumbizela wena. Mina mengazi ukuthi umbizela wena ngicabanga ukuthi maybe kunomuntu wesifazana lo ufana ukuthi ngimu-interviewe and maybe kunezinto ezisensitive lezi ubona ungathi umfazi uzoba comfortable ngazo. Kanti uwe sawubona baba.
It's I and myself. Thank
It's
you so much.
It's you. Ngiyaleboga ntate for inviting me ukuthi ngizokhuluma nawe. Nami mengifisa nginemibuzo eminingi njengabantu laba babukela i-podcast yakho. Mengifuna ukubuza izinto eziningi ngizibuza ukuthi lo bhuti lo ngalomsebenzi omuhle and uthanda noNkulunkulu. Uqale kanjani kwenze njani? Baba, angazwela nokuthi you're from a royal family.
Yeah.
So ngicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi ubaba Dlamini ubani?
Thank you so much.
le royal family
Yes.
ikuyaphi? Tshela abalaleli ngoba babona umsebenzi wakho omuhle, abazi ukuthi wena ucale kuphi, whether ikholi le uyenzayo or uNkulunkulu ukhulume nawe kanjani or into nje uvuke nje wabona abantu bayenza ama-competition ngayo ku-YouTube wacala wathi hayi mina namhlanje nami ngifuna ukwenza i-YouTube, ngifuna imali, or uyenze ngoba uthumile. Ngena baba, isikhathi sakho namhlanje.
Thank you so much, Os Angel,
Ngiyabonga,
for
baba.
having me.
Yes,
here.
Ntate waka.
Yeah, it's very true. Most yabantu bangazi ngoku-interview abanye abantu.
Ntate.
It's a reality ukuthi each and every interviewer okanye wonke umuntu has a story to tell. And wonke umuntu, more especially ikakhulukazi nje on kule rale yama podcasting and stuff. When you keep on interviewing people, abantu nabo baba na into yokuthi we also want to know the person. Njoba wena uwenza abantu ukuthi sibazi nathi, we want to know you. So every interviewer also deserves to be interviewed.
Yes, and mina ngamangala baba mangiqala ukubona istation sakho moka kavesi ubuso bakho. That time mufaka izitori zabantu ungachoose mayinto impact, whether it's in Christianity or guphi mawuyifaka. And I was checking it how YouTube may suggest wena all the time nilalela bo mamzanele Mbokazi nabo ufaka izinto zabo, izinto zabantu laba baziwayo and mesine impact empilweni zethu. So ngiyasibuza ukuthi lo baba lo, what is the mission eyakhe ngoba uyafaka nje but izinto asifakayo ama sermons now ane impact. Why did you decide ukuthi uphume manje sibone ubuso bakho, the person behind the podcast? Kwenze njani, yini le ikwenza ukuthi uvele, and mawuvela wavela ngomsebenzi omude oclean?
I think one thing for me,
Yes, baba.
uNkulunkulu wangenza nje ngaba different.
Waba different.
Kancane, yes. Ngiyafana nawo bonke abantu, but kwaba nje ne-element ethile ethi mayihluke ngami. Mina I'm more of a link where people connect, you know. So okwami ngiyakhumbula ukuthi even ekudala I had an idea of being a videographer at church, recording my pastors preaching, sonke lezo zinto. And my aim was to record those pastors who were not well known or who were not known at all. So my ministry, mina, ngabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu, I think ungiphe the ministry of making the unknown known to the public, because since then bengilokhu ngibelivela nje ekuthenini ukuthi bakhona abantu uNkulunkulu abafihlile, more especially on rural areas, abane message kaNkulunkulu. So since nami ngisuka kuma rural areas ngaba nento ukuthi ngiyayifisa message yasemakhaya, yabona lamakhaya ukuze kuthiwa isemafarm, la khona akunabafundisi who preaches the gospel, who preaches the gospel of reality. So ngangihlezi nginayo into ukuthi yibo la bengifisa ukuthi babe in a spotlight so that the message that they preach would be well known. So nje into yami sukela kudala back then ngangihlezi nginento ukuthi mina I want to be a link of gospel artists, preachers, so that they can I want to be blessed, who has where to go. I wanna be motivated, who has where to go. So uNkulunkulu wangipha that grace since then till date.
So sifuna ukwazi ukuthi manje ukuthi uvele manje wena uvele uthi ngifuna ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi who is behind my podcast.
Yes.
Kwenze njani ngoba ngathi umuntu ongafuna ukuvela, mufuna ukuveza abantu.
Yes.
Tell us about that,
No,
Baba.
I think yonke into has got its own time. Because I remember back then I used to do such things, but ngibe behind the scene. So as time goes by, mangiyenza ngaba nento yokuthi kokwesinye isikhathi yabo into yami, iministry yami iqale kakhulukazi ko social media ne. So I'll be sharing some powerful post komunye umuntu uthola uzofika kimi angisharele istory sakhe, and then bese mina ngiscopa bese ngishare and then abantu beze nama ideas ukuthi kule matter le kuyo angenza kanjani. So then the idea of a podcast yaqala lapho ke. But ngana into yokuthi uyazi na ukuthi into yami ibiya involve even imali. Mangithi involve imali beka kusuka uthola umuntu ukushare story edinga usizo la financial, maybe mhlawumbe ufuna ukuya esikoleni, maybe ufuna ukuya you know these things, maybe ufuna umsebenzi, maybe ufuna ukuya somewhere. So I'll take the post and post it on Facebook. So when I post it on Facebook, abantu okanye people from my Facebook, they will want to contribute ekuthenini lo muntu lo yakwazi ukuthi asizakale kule nto le asuke ifuna ngaleso sikhathi. So as time goes by, kase ngiba nento ukuthi into yakho ikwazi ukuthi ifake nezimali zabantu, at least people they must know you. Then that's where I decided now to come into public, abantu bakwazi ukuthi bangibone, so that it would be easy for them when they trust me ngokwe ministry yami in terms of ukunginikeza imali to help someone, so that they will know, because abanye abantu they don't believe ekuthenini ukuthi afake imali entweni yomuntu angamazi, not up until aze ambone lo muntu leyo face to face. That's how it started.
Okay, wena usekhaya, wena ufetjang go fihla o sa tsebe go re bolela ka eng, tseba go re bolela le ntate ST Dlamini. A interviewa ke Angel Noko, re bolela ka bophelo ba gagwe mo a thomileng gona le mo a yang gona. So o se latlhege ntate ST, re bona batho ba bantši in this YouTube space.
Yes.
Bayenza imali, babheki imali kakhulu ukudlula impilo zabantu, babheki izitori ezibuhlungu kunokuthi ba help abantu or bacela uhelp ba request ukuthi abantu ama guest lawa azenye izitori ezibuhlungu laba bafuna help ba helpiwe. Bona ba decide ukuthi bafuna imali ukudlula yonke into. Are you looking ukuyenza imali than ukusisa abantu? What is it that you are looking for in this spaces, ama podcasts? You know, izinto ziyachinja. Omunye nomunye manje mavuka nje uthi okay, iYouTube iyabhadala, iFacebook iyabhadala, iTikTok mina ngifuna ukwenza imali. Abanye basafuna nokwenza i9 to 5 job. Abanye bapreachela nje imali. Wena uthini, uyenzani kahle?
You know, it becomes a very big problem when you decide to do something because of money. Because into izothi the day imali ngekho uzoqhubeka uyenze yini lento yenzayo.
Exactly.
So mina I've started this thing not knowing ukuthi there is money involved. Yeah, but I remember way back I had no idea ukuthi there is money involved, Glenn. So mina uNkulunkulu akangenzanga ukuthi ngibe umshumayeli ngime phambili ngishumayeza abantu. But uNkulunkulu ungenza ukuthi mina ngicreate a platform for preachers to come and preach.
Okay.
So for me this is ministry kodwa futhi kungashumayeli mina.
Yes.
Whereby I'm just a platform, and then the servants of God they come and preach. Remember earlier on ithe uNkulunkulu ungenze ngaba njengelink whereby people come and others even join together in my ministry. So the idea of money was not in my mind. Meaning the idea of the whole thing was to do a ministry through all these things that I'm doing.
Kusho ukuthi imali mayibe iza to you is like the grace of God. Akusokuthi mobeke imali phambili.
It was a very big grace of God, cause njengoba ngisho ngithi mangiqala ngangazi nokuthi there is money involved iglento le.
Really?
You know, so mina ngangiyenza ngiyakhumbula ukuthi even someone decided to reach out to me when I had about, I think it was 4,000 subscribers. And then what this thing le yakho it's very huge and it has a potential yokuthi yazi umhlaba wonke lento yakho. Did you manage to do something in order for you ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi siqhubekele so that ingakhona ukudla ephaketheni lakho in terms of i-ministry yakho? Ngathi no, I had no idea. Honestly, I had no idea on it. So it proves ukuthi for me ukuthi ngiqale this thing, the idea of money was not there.
Niyazizwela abalaleli ekhaya ubaba Dlamini uthi yena maqala i-podcast le mangabheka ngemali mabheke impilo zabantu necalling yakhe namalinki lawa akhuluma ngawo wena uthini ekhaya ufuna ukuqala i-podcast for imali for or ukusiza impilo zabantu baba Dlamini
Yes.
ama-question lawa ngikubuza wona ilama-question lawa ngiwathole kubantu ama-listeners wakho athi afuna ukwazi kangcono ukuthi wena how do you change impilo zabantu ngoba no matter ungabheka ngemali imali izongena here and there as a blessing yokuthi ukhona ukuza uthele ipetrol uzobanikeza ievangeli entsha wenzani ngale mali is there somewhere where you contribute kwimpilo zabantu or vele ufake epocketini ungacabanga izinto ukuchintsha impilo zabantu what do you do with that money le uNkulunkulu akublessa ngayo we know ukuthi here and there uzosisiza but are you still concerned ukuthi the portion of the money that you get from your podcast usize omunye umuntu uchintshe impilo yakhe uvele uthi this is for my family?
I don't want to lie to you. uNkulunkulu ungiyenzelile the grace and umusa wakhe ngubona every day.
Yes, Baba.
Through all this, mina I have kids
All right.
that are at school that I've been supporting ngokubathengela ama uniform kanjalo
It's like spiritual adopted kids. Lezo zinikezwa uNkulunkulu or ukhuluma ngabakho.
No,
biological children.
not my biological kids. Like
Okay.
abantwana basesikoleni abane background engekho
Yes,
right.
all right.
Engiye nami ngaba nesandla ekuthenini ukuthi kwimfundo yabo nami ngiba nesandla esithile in terms of ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baqoke kahle bafane nabanye abafundi. I have families uNkulunkulu oyawangisiza nami ukuthi aba disadvantaged whereby nami uNkulunkulu wangenza ukuthi ngibe nesandla ekutheneni ukuthi ngeyikhathe ezithile kube khona nababakutholayo ma nami inkosi ikwazile ukuthi ingisiza ngaleso sikhathi. So ngizama ukufakazela ipoint lakhe ekutheneni ukuthi okanye ukuphendula umbuzo wakho ngokusizwa uNkulunkulu kanye nabantu ukuthi mhlambe bayangiphi imali ukuthi mina ngenzani even for others. Mina ngihlezi nginayo into ukuthi uma uNkulunkulu ekupha something akakuphi ukuthi ibe ngeyakho wedwa. When God gives you something that's not only for you. So each and every time when God gives me something, I'll always make sure that nami there is a portion nami enginikeza someone and enhlizweni yami ngithi nginikeza someone nginento ethi I'm taking it back to him.
Yes, by giving.
By giving, you see. So a problem start when uma uNkulunkulu ekunikeza something and then bese uyithatha uyenze yakho yonke. Kanti the idea of God uthi ngizokunikeza lokhu and then now you give me a portion ethile. So ngiphendula lo mbuzo wakho in terms of helping by being helped by others.
Yeah.
So I do nami ekutheni ngibe nesandla nami kwabanye abantu ngokusizwa uNkulunkulu.
Bathele jikagai latekwela. Ubaba Dlamini uthi uNkulunkulu makunikeza something akakunikeza ukuthi udle uyiwani. Ukunikeza ukuthi ukhona ukushare nabanye. So indlela yakhe ukuthi ajabulise uNkulunkulu ngalokho amwenzela khona. He's giving back to the nation. He's giving back to the privileged. So ngiyathemba ukuthi wena lapho ekhaya uyafunda ngempilo yaka Baba ST. Ungadli uyiwani. Khumbula lo anganakho umufe something. Ntate,
Ma'am.
ngizwile ukuthi you are from royal family. Ngizwe amahimihima asho kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ingaba iqiniso. And ngizwe bathi this royal thing ibuya kuwabumama, umama side
Yeah.
from your mother's side. Ungasitshela kangcono ngalokho.
Yeah, umama, it's from a royal family. very known in KZN, kwaZulu kondaba ezitha ngiyabingelela koMageba.
Yes.
Yes, umama ubuya khona laphana eNdlunkulu kushiwo njalo laphana mawuse KZN bayazi abantu ukuthi masuke sikhuluma about royal family ikakhulukazi ngapha KZN sisuke sithi kusendlunkulu. Yes, umama uzalwa khona and kungenze lokho nami ngaba nolwazi oluthile ngezinye izinto noma ngingeke ngazazi zonke, but I know some of the things ezibuya kwaZulu ngisho kanjalo. Yes, so lokho kungenze ngayi understanda kangcono into yakwaZulu. And nganga understanda nje not only into yakwaZulu as royal, but yangenza futhi nga understanda into yamaZulu at large. Cause into yamaZulu ikakhulukazi mawusuke use KZN, when we talk about royal families, it's a family ehlonishwa kakhulu.
Wow.
Ikakhulukazi eKZN ngizongifakazela nje nawe ebazokhumbula abantu abaningi ngalo yanyaka mhla isilo esikhulu undaba ezithu uMdlokombane mhla edlule emhlabeni wami umhlaba.
Yes, baba.
As much as nawe ungaleli impompo kodwa kungayiphutha ukuthi awukazi uzwe.
No, ngizwile konke. You know, I'm in the industry space. We follow everyone, follow i-lifestyle. That's why ubona ngikubuza ukuthi ibuyaphi lento le royal, because asiyazi thina mesibona nje ubhuti nje ubhuti phela nje. Kanti ubuya kubantu laba, hey, sakuhlonipha baba.
Ukuthi ngiyaqala nokuyiveza lento since then abantu abaningi abazi, abantu abazumama ikakhulukazi abazi ukuthi lo mama uyangizala.
Wow.
Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye bayeke bambone mhlawumbe kuma video, abanye bambone ama clips, they don't know ukuthi that's my biological mother. And abanye nabo abangibonayo kuma social media, abanye abazi uma bengibona abazi ukuthi ngizalwa yilo yamama loyana. So not ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe khona sikufihlile yini, no, there is nothing ekufihlakele. So ingakho ngithi akusinto engayifaka engqondweni, you know, angizange ngize ngifake engqondweni futhi ayingenzi nakancane ekuthenini ukuthi kibe into engifaka kubantu for them to know ukuthi mina nami nginegazi from royal family. Ayingenzi nakancane lonto leyo, but ngoba ungibuzile but ke kumele ukuthi ke ngiyiphendule. Yes, so njengoba bengisasho ukuthi ungifundisile izinto eziningi about umlando wakwaZulu nomlando wamaZulu nje at large. So yeah, izinto lezo so kungenze futhi ngazana nabantu abaningi even from royal family, even kwaZulu ndaba ezithi abantu abahlonishwa kakhulu. Some of them I know them in a personal level.
Balaleli, ungamnyazi umuntu mawuhlangana naye. Mina mengazi ukuthi ngempela ubaba ST Dlamini ubuya uphuma ku royal family. Ningizwela nje ngithi hayi banamanga nje ngoba ngibona the way asiphethe ngakhona ukusithoba kwakhe. Kusho ukuthi selena everyday. Ungamnyazi umuntu mangabazi ukuthi ubuyaphi. Baba, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi manje njengoba ubuya ku royal family, how was it ukukhula ku royal family? How were you relating nabantu laba bangabuyi ku royal family as a teenager from ebumncaneni until uNkulunkulu akukhulisa kundlela yakhe? Kunjani? Were you relating very well kubantu? How was your relation with abantu laba bangabuyi ku royal family laba banisabayo ukuthi maybe niphezulu or nidla kamnandi or nina everything maybe ngoba that's how we associate abantu babuya ku royal family?
Umuntu okhule kakhulu kuleyo side leyo umama.
Oh yeah.
Mina ngibe ne grace okanye ne privilege nami ukuthi ngibe nokungena bekutheni mhlambe uma kunama gathering athile through mama.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so as much as nami ngikhula, truth is mina ngikhulele ekhaya KZN kwaDlamini.
Yes, ma'am.
So as mangikhula ke nami sengiqala nje engathi nami sengiyahlakanipha, it is where some of the times whereby umama kwesinye isikhathi uthi ngizohamba naye, so I'll get to know the royal members through yena. So ekukhuleni kwami as umntwana angikhulelanga khona kwi-royal family, but kuthe mase ngiqala ngathi sengiba mdala kwanento ukuthi mhlawumbe umama mayiya khona ngihambe naye ngezinye zeyikhathi makunama-gathering athile, then that's how I got to know some of the royal family.
And abantu mebakubuka kanjani by the time uhamba nomama?
One thing about a royal family kakhulukazi yakwaZulu,
Yes, ma'am.
these people, they've got so much respect.
Wow.
They got so much respect, more especially within. So much respect to a point ukuthi immediately when ungena bayazi abantu abaningi i-language nje esetshenziswa lapha kuthiwa ndaba ezitha. It's very rare futhi kukancane uzwe kuzothiwa babu ST okanye ngenza i-example ngami okanye babu Dlamini or whoever, you always addressed as undaba ezitha. So that's how I got to know and understand this language yakhona ekuthenini ukuthi kwi-royal family kune-language yakhona ethile special. So into eyenza ukuthi bagcine behlonishwe even outside indlela bona bahloniphana ngayo beyi-one. So lokho bese kubenza ukuthi bahlonishwe even from outside. So for me ke ekuthenini ukuthi mina bekungenza ngirelate kanjani nabanye abantu, abantu abaningi abangazi ukuthi mina ngizalwa umuntu obuya from a royal family. So uthola ukuthi bazongi-addressa the way njengawonke umuntu, of which is not a problem, you see. But kulaba bengazi bengi-addressa nabo ngaleyo ndlela, kodwa truth is mina bekungangenzeli ukuthi ngifile spatially kanjani. Maybe if ngakhulela khona, maybe mhlambe bekuzongenza ukuthi lo ma ngi-addressa ngale ndlela ngathi ngizizwa ngathi angamukelekile, okanye lo ma ngi-addressa kanje ngizizwa ngathi, so mina kungenza ukuthi kufane.
Wow. Balalele ekhaya, ngithemba ukuthi nisalalele ubaba ST ahleli no-Angel Noku. Mina naye sihlangane kule industry, sihlanganiswe uNkulunkulu. Ubone umsebenzi wami nami ngabona umsebenzi wakhe, sathi manje masivule umnyango ukuthi abalaleli bazwe isitori sakho. Ndade,
Mama,
ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi manje kule royal family or la ukhule khona ekhaya, nikhuleni sonta ngoba abantu abaningi mangithi ngibhekile babuya ku royal family ukusonta abasondeleni nakho akusho ukuthi ababelieve kuNkulunkulu, mara kaningi babeke isintu ukudlula isonto. So wena mekunjani, nikhule nje umama wanifaka esontweni or wakhula ngesintu, what decide nini ukuthi manje ufollow ipath yakaNkulunkulu?
ekhaya sikhule nje ngokukhonza uNkulunkulu.
Okay.
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ukuhamba isonto ngilihambe nami ngakabe born again.
Wow.
Because of umama ngisasomntwana, so I'll just follow ngenxa ukuthi nawe uyesontweni. Up until nami I had an encounter with evangeli whereby nami ngamukela uJesu. That's when I got born again sengimdala. Kodwa nje ngumuntu okhulele esontweni by following.
Yes.
Yes, so as time goes by ke ngaba umuntu ke osegcine esamukela ivangeli nami, kodwa ngangalamkela la umama bekhonza khona, because umama une background yokukhonza kunenye isonto ekuthiwa evangelical church, isonto labasindisiwe. Kodwa mina ukwamukela uJesu ngamamukela kwisonto okuthiwa ibandla likaMzimba, the Church of Christ. Okay. That's where mina I got to accept Jesus Christ sengimdala. Why mhlawumbe umizoba ne-question ukuthi why ngamamukelanga lapha? It is because ekukhuleni kwami kuthe mase ngiqala ngifunda ngangabe ngisahlala naye umama okanye ngabe ngisahlala nama-parents ngabe sengihlala ngedwa due to ukufunda sekhona from other city to other city. So that way-ke ngayibona ukuthi umama ungikhulise ngale ndlela yokukhonza. So uma ngifika endaweni ngayibona lento, sengibona abanye abantu namanje abakhonzayo. So ke ngase ngibona ukuthi hayi no, nansi indlela, nansi lento ebengifundiswa ngayo. So that's why ke ngaqala ke sekwala sengimamukela khona uJesu.
Wow. So mawamukele uJesu and wakhula kanjalo wangasabuyeli emuva uphume, because kaningi masabantwana siyamukela uJesu masinabazali bethu, then masesikhulile sithatha indlela yethu. Wena did you still uhlale kule ndlela leyo yakaNkulunkulu, or waphuma wangasafuni isonto? Where are you at the moment?
At the moment, since uJesu angithwala nje namanje ngisahamba endleleni yakhe since ngamamukela. So into yami ukwamukela uJesu ayizange izibe nesikhathi whereby ngithi ayimanje angisesiyo ingxenye yevangeli. Since then nje lokhu ngamkhonza lapho uJesu till date samkhonza isathandaza kuyena. So ngabona ukuthi this seed, it was planted by following umama ngokuyesontweni. And then time came whereby I had to relocate and go to other city. And then ngayibona ukuthi this is the type of life that I want to live, that will keep me up until nami ngize ngibe umuntu omdala.
Wow. Bathele jika lapeng, ske la lebala gore dipotšišo tše ke di botšišago ke tše e leng goreng di listeners ka mo malapeng ne le ntše le di botšiša. So now di a dira gore ntate ST afune ukuthi ngizozibuza lana, ngoba abantu abaningi bayabuza kuma-comment, ubaba ST ubani, mabahlangana naye bamubuza ukuthi sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani wenzeni. So wonke lama-question lawa ngiyabuzayo siyabhale phansi, amanye siyazi ngenhloko. That's why siyabuza ukuthi abantu bathola ama-answer through the response yakababa ST. Baba ST,
Yes, ma'am.
I believe ukuthi you are a family man. So being a family man, are you still using the same principles lezi ukhule ngazo kubantwana bakho? Nabo bayasonta. How do you run a family life kulaba banemizi but uthola ukuthi abazi ukuthi usonta ungahamba kanjani njengobaba endlini, ungarana umndeni kanjani uhlanganise noNkulunkulu ngaphakathi?
Truth is, more especially if you are a man and ukhanda umndeni.
Yes, baba.
You cannot do it on your own. Yes. Definitely on your own, you just fail. Sengnesikashanyana khona sengibile kwi stage of being a father.
Okay.
Yes. Because today, this year, I'm turning 43 years.
Wow. And awubonakali. Mina ngithi you were on early 30s. So ubaba.
Baba ngimdala.
Yes, awubonakali baba. Sibonga uNkulunkulu for the grace ukuthi you know they always say you grow young in the Lord.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi nani lapha mhlawumbe makani ngayigesela ukuthi how old do I look?
Yes.
Yes, but ke sengimdala khona.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you are trying to say so udlulile ku stage sokuba umfana, you are a family man.
I'm a family man.
Yes.
So I was trying to answer the question.
Yes, Baba.
So into it, growing up kids, you cannot do it on your own.
True.
Sometimes there are things that will teach your kids and they will not take it.
Yes.
But what they will do lento eziyibona wena uyenza. Okay, let me rephrase my statement. Sometimes you'll teach your kids some very important things about ama-basics wempilo. Ezinye zazi izinto osifundisa abantwana, they will never listen to you or they will never take it. But what they will do, they will take what they are seeing lento wena oyenzayo. As much as ungabafundisanga, but by the kind of life that you are living in front of them, they will take it.
Very true.
So into it again, if you are living otherwise in front of your kids,
Yes, ma'am.
though you did not teach them to do that, but they will take it
They will take
because they are seeing it from you,
it, especially abafana.
especially abafana. So into it again, the way you're ngakhona, it's a lesson to them. You like it or not?
You are trying to say, we parents, we are the mirrors of our children. Umntwana uyimira yakho. Whatever umntwana yenzayo is reflecting lokho abazali bayikho.
Uyazi ukuthi emakhaya, more especially, there are kids
Yes, ma'am.
abakhule bangayazi inhlamba nithini ngesuthu.
Yes, I understand you. Basatsebe maroga.
Yes. Kodwa bayifundile by seeing their parents bayenza.
Very true.
Yabo. So awukwazi ukuhlala nomntana ukuthi hey mawufuna ukuthuka umuntu umthuka sona so. Akekho umuntu okwenza le nto le kanjalo. Kodwa abanye they had it from the parents. And umntana une mentality ukuthi yonke into ayizwa kumzali wakhe right.
Noma nilwa. Nilwa phambi
For the
kwabo.
moment, for the fact that bayizwa kumzali wakhe umntwana unento yokuthi i-right lento ayizwayo. And one thing ke ebuhlungu more especially ngomqondo womntwana akayikhohlwe into embi yazi. Mhlawumbe ngazi mhlawumbe more especially
Uzokhumbula semdala akutshele yona wena ucabanga ukuthi mikusasengane.
That's it,
But
that's it.
ukutshela into le abayingane but matured wena ucabanga ukuthi mikuyingane le engaboni.
uyazi ukuthi nathi today sibadala sibangaka
We still
kunezinto
remember, yeah.
ezenzeka ezingekho zinhle and still zikhona engqondweni zethu.
Wow.
But mawuthi uyachecka lento yenzeka nini years back,
But it's
years
still
ago,
haunting you.
but it still is still on our minds. You see, so into ke ngizama ukuphendula yona ukuthi ke indlela mina engakhula ngayo.
Yes, baba.
So ngakhuliswa ngokuthi impilo esekuthandeni uNkulunkulu. So the same principles
Yes.
engakhula ngayo iyona ke ngithanda ukuthi ngikhulise ngayo noma abantwana.
And you are doing it now, Gubu.
I am doing it.
Wow.
I try by all means to make my kids fall in love with the church, fall in love with God.
But nje manje usase lapho baba, how safe will you trust the church ngabantwana bakho? Because uyabona ukuthi we are living kuma last days.
Yeah.
So umntwana kumfana kuntomazana uyabuya uthi ngidlwembulilwe umfundisi ngidlwembulilwe i-church member. How protective are you or how sure are you ukuthi abantwana bamanje be-millennium laba sinabo basafe esontweni? Because thina siyabomama manje siyasaba ukuthi umntwana umthumele esontweni ayi-1 if you have ama-important appointments.
You know, I always, Angel, I always pray this prayer.
Yes, ntate.
Yokuthi, Father God, I pray
Yeah.
that you keep us up until abantwana bethu bakwazi ukuba independent.
Yes, mama.
It's very painful seeing umntwana independent esasemncane.
Yes.
Some of the things I was choosing.
I was choosing.
Ziyazenzakalela.
Yes, mama.
But it's always my prayer ukuthi ngiyathandaza enkosini ukuthi ingigcine up until my kids are able to be independent.
Yes.
So okay, to answer your question, as long as I live, I will always make sure ukuthi they are in a safe space. I create a conjunctive environment for them to see ukuthi this is a good space for them to live in. You see, so in terms of churches, I won't go with them to a church whereby I feel unsafe. For me, ukuthi ngifeel unsafe, I cannot take my kids to that church.
Wow.
You
But
see.
how will you see ukuthi this is the right church? Because ngithemba ukuthi abantu abaningi laba baye kumasonto, they were impacted by the word le khulunywa umfundisi and they went there. I remember one time we were sitting here u-interview abusisi laba abarobjiwe esontweni ngama-truck ngani. I believe those sisters, when they went to that church, they were seeing uNkulunkulu through that man of God. Memangayelanga i-business, but what was introduced to them by a man of God, they felt ukuthi ibuya kuNkulunkulu and into ezochange impilo zabo. Because most of the pastors, they will say, join this, ukuthi sibe abazalwane laba bangahluphekanga. And uthola ukuthi uthumele umntwana lapho, wena uthi lana ngisho lo is a man of God. The Holy Spirit convinced me. But mawufika le, one day umntwana uyakutshela ukuthi daddy, umfundisi wenze so. Will you prefer ukuthi abantwana bazele bayi-1 mawubakhulisa esontweni, or you will prefer ukuthi baye nawe? Because nabo mama nabo, they face the same thing. Siyazwela bayakhuluma ukuthi umfundisi wayengenza into ukuthi mina ngiu-Angel Noko, I will feel safe ukuthi umntwana ahambe nami. Because abanye abantwana babheka ukuthi how friendly i-relationship yathu sinjani nabo. Uthola ukuthi bakhuluma sebabhale i-death note, abakhulumi ngaleso sikhathi. And uthola ukuthi kudala badlombula 3 years ago. So will you prefer ukuthi abantwana bakho nomama baye nawe esontweni ngoba siphila kumihla le umuntu othi umthembile uyaphenduka abe enye into?
That's a very difficult question. I don't want to lie.
Yes, Baba.
As much as we don't just fall in love with churches, but we need to discern and see if that church is it aligned with the word of God. But then another reality, even the church that we trusted the most, you find there are some painful issues inside the church. Truth is, you cannot predict future. Yes. You cannot predict what is still to come in the future. But ezinye zezinto zithi maziyenzeka sibe nayo into yokuthi I never thought this thing will come out. So in regards with that, each and every day uma kungakayenzakali lutho, we thank God. Because we can go to church, esiyaziyo ukuthi i-right into yakhona, is it aligned with the word of God? Kube nomuntu ofikayo naye ebeza khona la esontweni ukuthi yena cause ama problems.
Yes.
But then in narrative izothi esontweni.
Yes.
Kuyenzakala this thing. Kanti it wasn't the pastor, it wasn't the mamfundisi, it was a member of the church, okanye someone who recently joined the church.
Yes.
Wayenza this thing. But masisikhuluma sithi esontweni. So ke ngibuyela kule nto ukuthi we cannot predict what's still to come.
Yes, Baba.
So uma kungakenzakali lutho, we thank God for that. We thank God for that. So abantwana masebe bancane, I prefer ukuthi ngihambe nabo esontweni. It started in nowadays. That's why that's a very difficult question to answer, because into enzakalayo these days, there are many churches. As much as there are many churches, in the Phlungu, that's a topic on its own. I wish wonke amasonto they would have into yokuthi amasonto into yabo accountability, it's somewhere maybe janjan lapatizeni. But then most of the churches, since they are on their own, so umuntu mayenza into kanjalo akekho thatha accountability in most cases. So kunala masonto lawa uthola ukuthi asesemakhulu, la masonto amadala uthola ukuthi makukhona umuntu enza into kanjalo, ikhona, there is always a place of accountability.
Yes.
Into yakhona uyazi ukuthi ithathwaphi iswaphi into kanjalo. But for the kids,
yes, Mom,
I prefer, more especially at their age, I prefer to go with them emasontweni.
Ngabuzwa umbuzo baba one of your listeners wathi Angel Noko, ngifisa ungathi ngelinye ilanga ngabuza baba Dlamini ukuthi baba ST yena ukhupha kanjani masesontweni nomama, ngoba ubaba lo uthi umama wakhe nebaye esontweni and afavora kakhulu umfundisi because meyane calling yobufundisi yena all this time 12 years mangazi ukuthi umfazi wakhe umfundisi ubhizi ngaye meyabona nje anakekelwa esontweni umfazi wakhe aphiwa iplatform abonge uNkulunkulu ukuthi at least umfazi wami the calling la nayo izokhula until uNkulunkulu amleader ukuthi abe ne ministry yakhe wathi ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga ukuthi ngazwa from another man ukuthi mangiku situation eso ubaba Dlamini if mekuye mazothini mazosolva kanjani ngoba it's not fair sometimes ukuthi umlahle nje umama ngoba from the beginning the intentions was not ukuyolalana nomfundisi iyenzakale in the journey enisabazwela ukuthi abanye they have powers lezi baziphethe lezi ungeke uziresist uthi no you'll only uphaphame makusekwenzekile so wathi Angel ngafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ubaba angangitshela his view ukuthi kunjani so ngiyayikhumbula mawulokho ukukhuluma nami ukuthi there was one person wangibuza kanjalo ngoba usenkingeni enjalo akazazi ukuthi uyadivorce or uya kuNkulunkulu or uyenzani njengoba wazi ukuthi amadoda once bazwa ukuthi kunomuntu okuphazamisile umfazi they are struggling to forgive but as a Christian man nafuna ukwazi ukuthi into eso wena what is your view ungayihandlela kanjani as a Christian man
that's very difficult you know mangikhula ngikhule ngine idea yokuthi uma umuntu uzoshada you always have about 3 people osukuzoshada nabo okanye ongashada nabo number 1 you have someone whom you love
all right
number 2 you have someone ukuba ukuthi abantu bakuthandela yena uyakhumbula nje ezikoleni kuyakuthiwa hey niyafanelana you know you guys look good together you know those things and then on the third one kunalo uNkulunkulu akulethela yena ngizoyitry nje ukuthi ngiyenze nje ibe incane kakhulu
baba
njengoba ngisho ngithi kunomuntu oyithandela wena kunomuntu othandwa ngabantu for you kunomuntu othandwa uNkulunkulu for you abantu abaningi abalimele bashade nabantu abathandwe ngabantu for them okanye abasithandele bona for themselves you see I back then ngiye ngaba nento ukuthi even my wife she was never my type and I believe Name was never her type. But God decided to make it possible for us to get married. So, umshado, it is not about people, Bama types, but it's God's institution. uNkulunkulu angakubeka to someone you never thought ukuthi ungakushada naye.
Ubheka inhliziyo more than outside.
That is why in most cases ufica I once said even good people sometimes can never be good for each other.
Yes, Baba.
Unless uNkulunkulu kwenze ekuthenini ukuthi they are partners. So to answer your question kuleyo, many are hurt in the name of love.
Yes.
And omunye
in the name of ministry also.
And in the name of ministry. And omunye uba nento ukuthi let me continue maybe uzoshintsha.
Yeah.
Let me continue maybe uzoshintsha. And then the pain keeps recurring to an extent whereby athi no. So ngihlezi nginento ukuthi uma sithandana mina nawe kunama mistakes esikwazi ukuthi singawaxolela.
Yes.
But there are problems okungathi mayengenzeka between the two of us okungaba ukuthi we need to let each other go. As painful as it is.
Yes.
You know, kwi relationship okanye kubantu abathandanayo, there are people who are together but they no longer love each other.
Yes.
And there are people who are no longer together, but they still love each other. So this thing of marriage or this thing of love sometimes will be in the same house, but not together. So njengoba ngisho ngithi amanye ama-mistakes okanye amanye ama-issues awas-demand ukuthi siqhubeke sihlale ndawonye.
So are you trying to say kulo one listener lo ubaba lo afuna ukwazi your view, you are trying to say baba ahlukane or ayibeke kuNkulunkulu or ini, because will we take it as a mistake le yenzekile or into le umfundisi abajwayele kuyenza kubafazi abatrick, or maybe ubabiza ngezinto zabo ukuthi bangaboni babone mabasibacedile, or it was a intentional thing?
Ebona, this point it goes back to into yamasonto. Sometimes that issue ingakwenza ulahlekelwe umuntu
Umthandayo or okhethwe lo uNkulunkulu.
okungowakho nje, the person who was ordained for you, because you were in a wrong space.
Wow.
So I don't want to say ukuthi abahlukane. Futhi I don't want to say abangahlukani. But into engizama ukuyiveza into yokuthi kukhona ama-mistakes okanye kukhona ama-issues ademand ukuthi asihlukane. But kukhona amanye ama-issues angasenzi futhi ukuthi sihlukane. But kuya ngokuthi both of us, are we willing na ukuthi sifixe the issue? Because sometimes uthola ukuthi the other part akasathandi. The other part still willing even ukuthi ashintshe from ama-mistakes wakhe. But then if the other part athi, I know, I'm done, there's nothing that you can do.
Wow.
So it goes back to le nto bengisho ukuthi singamane singahlali ndawonye, but we are together. I mean, singamane singahlali ndawonye, but we still love each other. Then ukuthi sihlale ndawonye, but love is no longer there.
Umfundisi uyamyeka kanjalo.
That's it.
Wow. Ngiyathemba ukuthi wena baba ubuze lo mbuzo uyazwela ukuthi ubaba yena uyiphendula kanjani. Mina mayizophendulwa yimi ngizothi pray about it, and then i-answer uyizwayo ku-spirit landela yona ukuthi ulanda umfundisi or uNkulunkulu uthi hlalani or uthi niphume, ngithi mina pray about it, and i-answer eza ku-spirit landela yona. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi konke lokho ngikubuza ubaba ST kubuya kuma-listeners. Ngeke sikucede namhlanje, there's a long list lana and sishawa isikhathi. Baba, sizobuya sibe ne-part 2 yemibuzo le bayibuzayo.
Yes.
Ningifuna ukwazi or abalaleli bakho bafuna ukwazi, nami ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi where to from here?
About
I can see songenelele manje ku media industry.
Yeah.
Where to ngale podcast, and kunomuzo lo ngiuzwile bambuza wona ukuthi baba ST bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kube kwaba ne-advert le uyenza ukuthi i-station sabazalwane. Manje laba kungasabazalwane bafila kungathi abekho welcomed ngoba you labeled this bafila ukuthi ulabel your podcast esiyabazalwane phela, and abantu banenkinga bafuna ukuza bazofundisa abanye or bacela help or share to encourage someone. So mabazwa i-station sabazalwane inyabaphazamisa kancane. Is this stations this podcast yabazalwane phela iyakhethulula or i-receive wonke umuntu? Why that a podcast yabazalwane? Why did you ukuthi usitshele kanjalo sisemakhaya? Ngoba nami ngiu-Angel Noko ngingaba nokusabanyana, but umoya wakaNkulunkulu kimi ngabona ukuthi ngingasabi ngoba this is my industry. Ithi ngibuze before ngiyeza ngizovakasha la ekhaya.
Into yethu ithi it was made for a church.
Yes, baba.
So uma sithi a church ngabe senza iphutha elikhulu uma sithi it for some certain people.
Yes.
But it's for everyone. So that is why even uJesu umayethi go ye. So into yethu ithi asiyenzi justice uma sizo shumayezana sodwa yet sikhola futhi sonke. Uthi uJesu nina you are salt of the world. So ke awukwazi ukufaka usalt entweni eveli taster. So for us as abazalwane to be influential, we need to go out to those who are not born again. So the platform, actually it was made for abantu babazalwane ekuthenini ukuthi let it be a platform to reach to the unbelievers.
Okay.
So ke into yethu ke ibuya back to ekuthenini ukuthi that is why angifunanga nanokuthi to be branded as podcast abazalwane. If you can check the channel, it's written as Thabani ST Media.
Yes.
So that we'll be able to have different shows. There is a show specifically for abazalwane.
Yes.
So
Because mebabona i-advert lokho ethi i-station sabazalwane lezi. I think kulapho ebaphazamise khona
Yes.
bafuna i-clarity.
there is a show specifically for abazalwane, for them to edify each other, to
Yes.
engage each other on some certain topics, different topics, zonke lezinto. But we also have other shows. Noma ngeke sithi it's an un-Christian or whatever, but it's for everyone. Even for umzalwane, even if ngathi uyayilalela uyazi ukuthi I'm born again, but this is so interesting. Omunye angekho born again, but at mayilalela asho ukuthi I'm not born again, but this feels interesting ukuthi ngiyilalela. And by kuyilalela now I'm getting more attached ekuthenini ukuthi manje I'm starting to love the things of God. So ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu ongakakholwa uma ilalela Christian topics, sometimes una into ukuthi maybe I'm not part of this show, but mayilalela topics accommodate wonke umuntu, uba na into ukuthi wow, I'm having an interest of ukulalela even more of this thing up until umuntu isoul yakhe igciniwe inekile to Christ.
So by so saying uthi wonke umuntu wamukelekile, they mustn't focus on the advert le bayibona ithi podcast yabazalwane. You have a division of all this. Ama programs lawa abhekiswe kubo, ama programs lawa abhekiswe kuwonke umuntu lo osontayo nalo wangasonti.
This thing is like a radio.
Wow.
Kune feature edlalayo uthola ukuthi I know a feature yabafundisi. I mean, I'm not a pastor, not meaning that I cannot listen to it. I can. Kune feature ezwayo ukuthi le yabazalwane.
Yes.
Mina hayi umfundisi, if ngumfundisi I cannot listen to this feature because yabazalwane. But yabazalwane, even pastors, they can listen to it. So kanjalo ke njengoba ngisho ngithi this thing is like a radio. Sometimes khona ishow ezodlala ukuthi bengasiyo mhlawumbe uyizwa ungena interest yayo, meaning that it was not yours. There will be a show ozoba ne-interest kuyona. So we are just a platform so accommodative to everyone who loves conversations, who love this thing of, who loves our engagements. That's why we have different topics. Some of the topics are for a church. Some of the topics are for a community. That is why even if you can check laphana phezulu, kuyavela ukuthi church topics and community issues.
Wow. Nanizwela abalaleli ekhaya. Niyamuzwa ubaba Thabani uthi wonke umuntu wamukelekile kule broadcast. Uyasonta, awusonti, ukhuluma isiSuthu, ukhuluma isiZulu, ukhuluma noma yini. You are welcome to share your story. Lesi sizotshintsha impilo zabantu, sibakhuthaze abanye laba bafuna ama help ngezitori lezi ezibuhlungu. You are welcome. Uyangibona nami ukuthi isiZulu akusinkulumo yami, but uthe Angel woza hlakana nzwiki sikhuluma zonke izinto, sikhuluma wonke ama language. Manje isikhathi sethu siphelile, sizovalelisa. Wena umbuzo wakho unga-answeranga kule podcast namhlanje, ungawarisheki. Sizobuya ngama part 2 sizobuya uNkulunkulu masinikeza ilanga sizobamba impilo ijourney yakababa ST yinde ngeke sicede one day. Baba mawuvalelisa due to the time yethu iphelile ngibone bangisayinela le abantu bemishini so ngifuna ukuthi uvalelise, what is your closing day words?
My closing words would be like ngiyabonga kakhulu to all people nje who make it a point to support our platform. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye they support by subscribing, they support by sharing, they support by becoming members of the channel. So nje I'm so very much appreciative for that. Support yenu bafowethu. I thank it so much. Ngiyayibonga kakhulu. May it continued. So elami nje lokugcina engalisho ngathi bazwane bami asiphumeni siyoshumayela ngaphandle abantu babuye sibalandeni sibazuzele kuKristu igama lenkosi libonge lidunyiswe.
Relebogile bamamedi ka lapeng nizwele ukuthi sihleli kamnandi nje sikhuluma nje sibuza imibuzo yenu manje isikhathi sethu siphelile na Angel Noko lentate ST sithi tata.
Thank you.